how to find personal information settings on Messenger Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find personal information settings on Messenger Lite. First thing, go to Messenger Lite and now click the settings icon in the top corner, and now just go down and here you will find account settings. Click on it, and after you click on it you will see this one, personal information. Here you can manage your personal information on Messenger Lite, like name, contact info, and manage account. And that's how to find personal information settings on Messenger Lite. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.